Let's be honest. Yellow teeth can make you feel self-conscious no matter how often you brush. And while whitening strips and expensive treatments promise miracles, not everyone wants to use harsh chemicals or spend a fortune. So, what if you could naturally remove yellow stains from your teeth? Safely, effectively, and right at home. This is a concise and highly informative video, so please stay until the very end. Its insights could prove immensely beneficial. Today, we're diving into science-backed, dentist-approved home remedies to whiten your teeth. No strips, no pain, and no side effects. First, let's understand the root of the problem. It's not just coffee and tea. Over time, your enamel, the outer white layer, begins to wear down. Underneath is dentin, which is naturally yellow. When enamel thins, dentin shows through, giving your teeth a dull or yellow appearance. Other culprits? Smoking, acidic foods, sugary drinks, poor brushing habits, and even aging. Now, let's talk about what actually works. The first method is oil pulling, an ancient Ayurvedic remedy that's surprisingly effective. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes before brushing. Coconut oil contains natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that reduce plaque and lift surface stains. It's completely safe, leaves your mouth fresh, and may even help with bad breath. Just be sure to spit the oil into the trash, not your sink. Next up, baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. When combined, they create a mild whitening paste. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Brush your teeth with this paste for 1 minute, just twice a week. Overdoing it can wear down enamel. Always rinse thoroughly and follow with your regular toothpaste. Most people notice visible results in just a few weeks. Believe it or not, certain foods can help clean your teeth while you eat. Crunchy fruits and veggies like apples, carrots, and celery act like natural toothbrushes. They increase saliva production, which neutralizes acids and washes away bacteria. Strawberries are another useful option. They contain malic acid, a natural polishing agent. Mash up a ripe strawberry, mix with a pinch of baking soda, and apply it as a mask for 2 minutes. But don't overdo it. The acidity can erode enamel if used too often. Another trending option is activated charcoal. Yes, the black powder can lift surface stains, but it's abrasive. Use it just once or twice a week, gently brushing for no more than 1 minute. Always rinse thoroughly and avoid aggressive scrubbing. Charcoal isn't ideal for people with sensitive gums or thin enamel, but when used cautiously, it can be effective. Now, brushing and flossing might sound obvious, but technique matters. Brush at least twice a day using a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Spend a full 2 minutes brushing. Don't rush. Floss daily to remove plaque between teeth. If possible, consider switching to an electric toothbrush. Studies show it removes more plaque than manual brushing. And, of course, avoid the things that cause the yellowing in the first place. Reduce your intake of coffee, tea, red wine, and soda. When you do drink them, use a straw to limit contact with your teeth and rinse your mouth afterward. Smoking is another major culprit. It stains enamel quickly and deeply. Quitting can make a dramatic difference not just in your smile but in your overall health. To wrap up, yellow teeth don't mean you're unhealthy, but they can impact your confidence. Fortunately, you don't need expensive treatments to see results. With consistent effort and these natural methods, oil pulling, baking soda paste, stain-fighting foods, activated charcoal, and better hygiene, you can start brightening your smile in just a few weeks. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to smile brighter, naturally.